Morning all. Finished the arched roof on the root store last night. I filmed it on the time-lapse, well on a video that I'll time-lapse, but I didn't do too much talking because you're probably a bit tired of watching me do arch stonework now. So today is going to be the front sort of face, if you like. I need to set up a bit of a form, a sort of spline curve type, constantly changing, which is going to be a bit complex. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet, but I should get it there, should get it sorted. It's just started raining, lovely, but hopefully, doesn't look like it's going to get a lot heavier than this, it's just mist, but hopefully can get the front face, the sort of, the whole front, if I spin you around, the whole front done. You can kind of see where it's going. Let's put my coffee down. You can kind of see where it's going, the natural shape of the arch over the roof and back down. I don't know if I showed you this bit before, but started digging around here. Oh, it sounds like there's something in the hedge. Started digging around here. I've got a couple of steps up to the old outside toilet here, so I'm not sure yet. I'm not gonna finish this because I'll probably, maybe to the right a little bit, there's a wall there and I'll probably have a return here. I don't think I want to key it there, because if I do it means I take that lot I've already done and all the backfill, but you can kind of see, I think you can see there, that's the end of the existing wall. So I might take it back, but I'll probably leave that till next year. It's getting a bit late in the year for line work. What was it now? 31st of October today, so yes, I'm already pushing it a little more than I'd like to. But anyway, I digress. I was showing you the steps here, so that's probably, I'm going to excavate that. I'll film that and do a bit of a I don't know, a short video on that, because I don't know what I'm going to find there yet, so it'd be quite nice to film it. I watch a couple of people that do stuff like that, so I'll set you up and you can watch me do the front face, hopefully the capping, and then all that's needed is, well, there's pointing as well to do inside, but I can do that in the winter because it's not going to get too cold in there. All I've got to do then is throw the soil on the top and grade all the levels around here, but I don't know whether this will bother doing that because of the outside steps yet, but see what happens. See if I'm sick of stonework by then. That'll be probably in a week or so. I'll probably be itching for something else to do, so that's when I'll start the outside steps with dog kennel for dog I don't have and probably will never have. But this is setting up the line I'm going to build the front facade to. I think I've got a bit of a plan. I'm going to knock a stake in at each end with the line I want to follow and use some blue alkathene, not alkathene, MDPE plumbing pipe, 25mm plumbing pipe or water pipe. Hopefully that will give me a nice smooth arc from which I'm going to follow, but you'll soon see if it works, or if it doesn't work I'll have to go back to the drawing board. I've got a thicker pipe, I'll try that. Might be better. Just about got something that works. Vertical support in the middle. It gives me the profile to follow, but not the line to follow, I'm going to have to keep using my spirit level to make sure it's plumbed.